This is a quick demonstration to show you how Tobu desktop works. So Tobu desktop will be used for uploading folders from your computer, that is from your desktop or your laptop, onto your Tobu account. So to do this, you will first need to go to sync desktop on your Tobu account and then select, based on whether you're using Apple or Windows, the mode of download. So once you download Tobu desktop for your computer, then you'll need to open it up. You'll be prompted to log in to your Tobu account. To log into your Tobu account, please use your username and password that you had set up for the Tobu account. All right, let's first try by uploading a folder. I'm going to pick a folder of resumes. And there you have it. It says 2 files were found in that folder. You can pick a high-level folder, and Tobu will pick up all the resumes from all the subfolders as well. Say start backup, and Tobu will give you a feedback to say that the backup has been complete and the folder has been added. The 2 resumes have been added to your Tobu account. So this is in case you want to upload a folder directly to Tobu. Now, in case you want to upload a PST or an mbox file. So the PST is the Outlook archive format, and the mbox is the archive format for Gmail and other mailing services. So mbox is what you get when you do a Google takeout. One of the zipped files is an mbox file, which actually has all the email contents along with the attachments. So you can just pick the mbox file directly from your computer, and Tobu will automatically identify the resumes from that folder as well. Please do ensure when you're uploading through Tobu desktop that it completes the upload before closing Tobu desktop screen. All you need to do once again is add folder and start backup.